Good evening, everyone. Today we will discuss UP Sainik School paper class 7th and we will discuss general knowledge paper. The first question is on your screen. The disease Kwashiorkor and marasmus are caused due to the deficiency of vitamin E, iodine, calcium, or protein. The correct answer for this question is that is option D, protein. The next one is lightest gas is oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen or carbon dioxide. The correct answer for this question is that is option B, hydrogen. Which of these would you require to track news online? STD code, postal address, headphones, internet connections. A very easy question. The correct answer for this question is that is option D, internet connections that we required to track news online. Next one is Lord Jagannath is considered to be a form of which god? जो Lord Jagannath है उनको जो है कौन से गॉड का फॉर्म जो है कंसीडर करा जाता है? दैट इज लॉर्ड विष्णु, लॉर्ड इंद्रा, लॉर्ड शिवा, लॉर्ड गणेश. द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज दैट इज लॉर्ड विष्णु. Dash is the famous scientist who discovered penicillin in 1928. Sir Alexander Fleming, Leonardo da Vinci, Michael Faraday, Archimedes. The correct answer for this question is that is option A, Sir Alexander Fleming. Archimedes is a famous mathematician. He specially discovered the relation between surface and volume of sphere. Michael Faraday, he discovered electromagnetic induction in 1831. Dash is a famous scientist known for inventing telephone. Thomas Alva Edison, Niels Bohr, Alfred Nobel, Alexander Graham Bell. The correct answer for this is that is option D, Alexander Graham Bell. And Alfred Nobel was also a great scientist और इनके remembrance में हर साल जो है नोबल प्राइजेस दिए जाते हैं. इस बार भी 2020 में जो है लास्ट ईयर जो है अक्टूबर में जो है रिसेंटली जो है नोबल प्राइजेस जो है अनाउंस हुए हैं और दैट हैज बीन गिवन इन द रिमेम्बरेंस ऑफ अल्फ्रेड नोबल. Thomas Alva Edison, he developed electronic power generation, mass communication, and also many things. द नेक्स्ट वन इज नील्स बोर. इन्होंने जो है अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया है टू अंडरस्टैंड द एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर and he also got Nobel Prize in Physics in 1922. Next one is Dash is the inventor of radio. Guglielmo Marconi, Thomas Edison, Benjamin Franklin, Michael Faraday. The correct answer for this is that is option A, Guglielmo Marconi. The next one is which of the following instrument is played by Amjad Ali Khan? Veena, tabla, srod, guitar. The correct answer for this question is that is option C, srod. The biggest part of the brain is spinal cord, cerebellum, cerebrum, brainstem. The correct answer is that is option C, cerebrum. Which of the following diseases, which one is caused by insect bite? कौन सी डिजीज होती है एक इंसेक्ट के काटने से? डेंगू, स्कर्वी, निमोनिया, अस्थमा. The correct answer for this question is that is option A, dengue. Which organ of the human body does the Alzheimer disease affect? हमारे ह्यूमन बॉडी का कौन सा ऑर्गन है जो अल्जाइमर डिजीज डज द अल्जाइमर डिजीज अफेक्ट? ईयर, ब्रेन, आई, स्टमक. द करेक्ट आंसर इज दैट इज ऑप्शन बी, ब्रेन. जनवरी, मई, अगस्त, नवंबर. नाउ अब इन्होंने जीके में क्वेश्चन ना कुछ रीजनिंग टाइप का दिया है. सो नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट ओड वन आउट under this. January, that we all know, that consists of 31 days. May also 31 1 days. August also consists of 31 days, and we are left with November, simple, which consists of 30 days. So the correct answer is that is option D. Shillong, Raipur, Tripura, Kohima. And again, we need to find out the odd one out, and the correct answer is that is Tripura. Rest are the capitals, and the Tripura is a state. Which of the following is the national anthem of India composed by Rabindranath Tagore? वंदे मातरम, ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, सारे जहां से अच्छा जन गण मन. The correct answer for this is that is Jan Gan Man. That has been composed by none other than Rabindranath Tagore ji. Fathometer is used to measure rainfall, ocean depth, sound intensity, earthquakes. The correct answer for this question is that is option B, depth of the ocean. And earthquake that we can measure with the help of seismograph. Who was the first Indian Chief of Army Staff of Indian Army? General K.M. Cariappa, General Maharaja Rajendra Singh Ji, Vice Admiral R.D. Katari, none of the above. The correct answer is that is option A, General K.M. Cariappa. He was the first Indian Chief of Army Staff of Indian Army. Patanjali is well known for the compilation of Yoga Sutra, Panchatantra, Brahma Sutra, Ayurveda. The correct answer for this question is that is option A, Yoga Sutra. The hottest planet in the solar system is that is Mercury, Venus, Mars, or Jupiter. The correct answer for this question is that is option B. So, dear students, kindly write it down in this sequence all the planets in solar system. First of all, answer me how many planets are there in solar system, and the next question is in sequence all the planets in solar system. Federation Cup, World Cup, 11 International Trophy and Challenge Cup are awarded to the winners of basketball, tennis, cricket, volleyball. The correct answer for this question is that is option D, volleyball. And the cups which are related to cricket are that is Irani Trophy, Ranji Trophy, Asia Cup, and so on. ICC tournaments, T20, and then so on. In the same way, tennis are also having a different and the basketball. So kindly write it down in the comment section the cups which are related to tennis and also the cups which are related to basketball. Garampani Sanctuary is located at Gangtok, Sikkim, Kohima, Nagaland, Karbi Anglong, Assam, Junagadh, Gujarat. The correct answer for this is that is option C, Karbi Anglong in Assam. So Garam Pani Sanctuary that is located at Assam. Which of the following is the fight to infection in the body? Red blood cells, white blood cells, blood plasma, hemoglobin. The correct answer for this is that is option B, white blood cells. Which of the following is the largest air pollutant? Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrocarbon. The correct answer is that is option B, carbon dioxide. Deficiency of which of the following vitamins causes the disease of blood clotting? जो ब्लड क्लॉट होता है वो किसके कौन से विटामिन की डेफिशिएंसी होता है कमी के कारण जो है ब्लड क्लोटिंग जो है होती है डिजीज विटामिन सी विटामिन डी विटामिन ई और विटामिन के द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस इज दैट इज ऑप्शन डी विटामिन के द कंट्री दैट हैज द हाईएस्ट प्रोडक्शन ऑफ बार्ले जो की हाईएस्ट प्रोडक्शन जो है वो कौन सी कंट्री जो है करती चाइना इंडिया रशिया फ्रांस द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस इज दैट इज ऑप्शन सी रशिया Durand Cup is associated with the game of volleyball, football, cricket, hockey. The correct answer for this is that is Durand Cup is related to football. So write it down the cups which are related to volleyball in the comment section. Which is India's first supercomputer Param 8000, Param 80,000, Param 800, Param 8. The correct answer for this question is that is option A, Param 8000. This was the India's first supercomputer. Tsunami is a word in which language? Hindu, Urdu, Japanese, French. The correct answer for this question is that is option C, Japanese. Who was India's first Deputy Prime Minister? Morarji Desai, Vallabhbhai Patel, Devilal Charan Singh. The correct answer for this is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The Taj Mahal is being affected by pollution, tourists, dry trees and plants, or none of these. The correct answer is the Taj Mahal, which is in Agra, that has been affected by pollution. Who was the first Indian to climb Mount Everest? Kalpana Chawla, Bachendri Pal, Arunima Sinha, none of the above. The correct answer for this question is that is option B, Bachendri Pal. FIFA World Cup is associated with tennis, golf, football, or D, none of these. The correct answer for this is that is football. Which among the following countries is the host of 2018 Commonwealth Games? France, Australia, Japan, none of these. The correct answer for this is that is Australia. Who is Rafael Nadal? Tennis player, golf player, hockey player, football player. The correct answer is Rafael Nadal is a very famous, very renowned personality. That is, he is a fantastic tennis player. And one more question from, kindly write it down in comment section that Rafael Nadal, he belongs to which country? Who is called the father of computer? Herman Hollerith, Charles Babbage, Wells Pascal, Van Neumann. The correct answer is that is option B, Charles Babbage. Which is the largest producer of the tea in the world? India, Japan, Malaysia, China. The correct answer for this is that is option D, China. Headquarters of United Nations Organization is at New York, Vienna, Austria, Geneva, Switzerland, or D, Washington DC, that is in US. So the correct answer for this question is that is New York. What is the capital of Lakshadweep? Silvassa, Port Blair, Pondicherry, Kavrati. The correct answer for this question is that is option D, Kavrati. Author of the book Malgudi Days, R.K. Narayan, Vikram Seth, Anita Desai, Mulk Raj Anand. The correct answer for this is that is option A, R.K. Narayan. The next question is that is the Keoladev National Park is in which state? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, or Kerala? The correct answer is that is option B, Rajasthan. So in Gujarat और गुजरात के जो फेमस नेशनल पार्क्स हैं वो जो है आप जो है चैट बॉक्स में जो है लिखिए एक मैं बता देती हूँ दैट इज ब्लैक बक national park. The another one are another national parks that are in Gujarat state. Kindly write it down in chat box. Dash is the classical dance of Uttar Pradesh. Kathakali, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Mohiniyattam. The correct answer for this question is that is option B. Kathak is the classical dance of Uttar Pradesh. When were first Commonwealth Games held? पहले जो है कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स जो हैं कब जो हैं हुए थे 1930, 1953, 1949 या फिर 1921. The correct answer is that is option A 1930. Face of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Who is the face of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? Amitabh Bachchan, Narendra Modi ji, Amit Shah या फिर none of the above. The correct answer is that is option A Amitabh Bachchan. And स्वच्छ भारत अभियान इनिशिएटेड किन्होंने जो है इसका जो है इनोग्रेशन करा था किन्होंने जो है ये इनिशिएट करा था द करेक्ट आंसर इज दैट इज ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी के द्वारा जो है ये स्वच्छ भारत अभियान जो है शुरू करा गया था द टैगलाइन ऑफ स्वच्छ भारत मिशन एक कदम स्वच्छता की ओर हमारा देश स्वच्छ टुवर्ड्स क्लीन इंडिया नन ऑफ द अबव द करेक्ट आंसर इज एक कदम स्वच्छता की ओर International Day of Yoga is celebrated on 22 July, 21st June, 22nd June, 21st July. The correct answer is that is option B. Which character from the Jungle Book was raised by wolves? Wolves होते भेड़िए. Mowgli, Jill, Bagheera, Arela. The correct answer is that is Mowgli. Which state is also known as fruit bowl of India? Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya. The correct answer is that is option B, Himachal Pradesh. National Science Day is celebrated on 28 December, 28 July, 28 Feb, 28 April. The correct answer is that is option C, 28 February that has been celebrated as a National Science Day. How many straight edges does a cube have? क्यूब की जो है कितनी स्ट्रेट एजेस होती हैं 6, 8, 10, 12. The correct answer is that is option D 12. When was the lockdown imposed in India due to COVID-19? COVID-19 के कारण जो है हमारे देश में जो है लॉकडाउन जो है इंडिया में जो है कम इम्पोज करा गया था कब लगाया गया था 22 मार्च 23 मार्च 1 अप्रैल 25 मार्च द करेक्ट आंसर इज दैट इज ऑन 23rd March. This is all done from UP सैनिक स्कूल एग्जाम, जो कि हमारा 10 जनवरी को जो है 2021 को हुआ है। एंड आई होप ऑल द आंसर्स आर क्लियर टू यू। आप अपने जो है आंसर्स जो है चेक कर सकते हैं। इनफैक्ट आप जो है कमेंट सेक्शन में ये भी बता सकते हैं कि आपके जो है आउट ऑफ दिस 49 क्वेश्चंस कितने जो है आपके जो है करेक्ट हुए हैं। सो आप अपना स्कोर भी जो है कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख सकते हैं और आप अपना चेक कर सकते हो कि आप कितने जीके के क्वेश्चंस जो हैं ठीक करके आए हो। थैंक्स एवरीवन, इट वाज इंडीड अ ग्रेट प्लेजर टीचिंग टू यू ऑल।
इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करें हमारी न्यू वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।